How to use JavaScript SweetAlert in Vue.js. If you're still using the basic alert box in Vue.js, it's time to level up your UI with SweetAlert 2. This tool helps you display professional-looking alerts that are customizable and clean. To get started, open your terminal inside your Vue project and install SweetAlert using npm. Once installed, head to the component where you want to use it. Inside your Vue component, import SweetAlert 2 and define a method. You can use swal.fire to trigger the alert. Pass in the title, message, and type like success, warning, or error. The result is an elegant pop-up that instantly improves the user experience. You can also use features like auto-close timers, custom buttons, and even input fields if you want to collect user data. And yes, you can chain alerts using promises for multi-step interactions. SweetAlert 2 is fully compatible with both Vue 2 and Vue 3. It's lightweight, flexible, and easy to implement in any project, from forms to error messages to confirmations. So if you're building a modern front-end app with Vue, ditch the old alert box and give SweetAlert 2 a try. The code is here.